Hi there folks, so today I will be showing you the right way to install Python in Jupyter Notebook. There are actually two methods for installing Python. The first one is for people who are using Python for general purpose use. They will install Python 3.x from python.org and they have to install an EDU, Integrated Development Environment, which is VS Code, Sublime Text, or PyCharm, or any other IDE. The second method, which is for data scientists like to install Python using Anaconda or Minikanda. First of all, you have to notice that Anaconda and Minikanda, they have the same distribution. When you install Anaconda, you will install also Jupyter Notebook and all the packages for data science, such as Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. On the other hand, Minikanda, you will only install the Python distribution. So, in other terms, you will have to install also Jupyter Notebook and the necessary packages for data science, such as Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow. I usually recommend to use Minikanda because it's not the file is not that big, and therefore you can install only the required packages you want to use. So to do so, you go to Google Minikanda. Then you go to download the Minikanda for Windows or Mac OS or even Linux, and make sure to choose the distribution of Python 3.7. Right, once you download and install the file, you will have this file in your computer. You will choose the Anaconda prompt and then make sure to write conda update all. So writing this code, you will be updating all the packages installed by Anaconda in your Minikanda. Right, my packages are already installed and updated. You will have to install and update all your packages. So you have also to notice that the Minikanda, the Jupyter Notebook, is not pre-installed, and therefore you have to install it using conda install Jupyter Notebook. I have already installed the Jupyter Notebook, so when I want to launch the Jupyter Notebook kernel, I just write Jupyter Notebook. Great. And here I have the Jupyter Notebook kernel. I can create a file. I choose a new Python 3. And here I have the first Python Jupyter Notebook. The second method to launch the Jupyter Notebook is to go here and then choose the Anaconda 3 and then the icon of Jupyter Notebook. Great, this is another way to launch the Jupyter Notebook. So, in order to shut down the kernels, you have to press Ctrl+C 2 times. This way you can shut down the kernels.